Good morning everyone, it's 6 a.m. Sunday today here in Baguio City. We are going to Manawag later and Dagupan, so let's go. Have a good day, more blessings to all of us. Hello everyone, welcome to Baguio Paparazzi. We're going to Manawag. We're still here in Baguio. With Mama. Ooh. And let's go.
Our school boy.
We're here in Jollibee. Hot choco, mahawakan mo. Thank you.
Mainit.
Jollibee.
Barbie po na.
Wait nga, okay, Shell Rosario. Hello everyone, it's me, Louis Carpuz. Welcome to Baguio Paparazzi. We are now here in Shell Rosario. We're going to Manawag and we're going to Natividad, Pangasinan. So, God bless our trip. More blessings to all of us. Shell Rosario. So, we're going to Manawag, Pangasinan, and we're going to Natividad, Pangasinan. So let's go. God bless our trip. Let's go. Tiplex Toll Booth, Binalonan. May kukunin pa si Candice. We are now here, Manawag, Pangasinan. Manawag, Pangasinan. Let's go. Thank you for watching.
Di na po natin kailangan pumunta sa island po. Diyan lang po tayo pumunta para i-bless po tayo. Ha? Thank you. Prayer for the blessing of the sick. Lord and Father, Almighty and Eternal God, by your blessing, you give us strength and support in our faith. Turn with kindness toward our sick brothers and sisters.
Okay, the mass is over. Let's go light some candles. Sige, ma. Sa Lingayen lalapag yan.
Can I pet the cows?
No, Ru. Sa Tagaytay, may mga cows dun. Okay ka lang dyan, ma.